stunning, I like shining, I like $1,000,000 deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing.
Extreme wind one-wheeling. Having to lean forward to counteract the wind, which just does not feel natural.
Alright, it is really windy today. I tried filming with video and audio, and the audio was just garbage. So here we go. I'm going to go into the wind here to see if pushback happens at a different speed going into the wind than when it goes downwind. So I'm going to go into the wind first, spin around, and then go the other way and go downwind. Oh, and if you are new to one-wheeling, pushback is just when the board gets close to its limit and it lifts the front of the board up and pushes back against you, warning you that it's close to nosediving. So I think this is pushback right here. It's really hard to tell with the way the wind was blowing. It kind of felt like it was lifting the board up on me, and when it was going into the wind, it was really tricky to feel it, but I think that's pushback at around 15 miles an hour. Yeah, so I don't think I quite got to pushback here. You know, I got like around 14 miles an hour. It was just, I mean, the video doesn't do it justice, but going into the wind here was not easy. I had to lean really far forward. It felt really unnatural, just like fighting the wind, pushing my own body.
I can't tell if I felt pushback. I'll be interested to see on the stats how fast I got going. I don't know. I'll try turning around. Now you see I'm going with the wind. Still got a little bit of a breeze behind me. Let's see if I feel pushback this way. Yes, there was again. So I'll put the camera close.
This is the new religion bank, el latino gang, yeah, está toda servieta, pero es que en el closet tengo mucha grasa, ya mudé la Gucci pa' dentro de casa, yeah, cabrón a ti no te conocen ni en plaza, el diablo me llama pero Jesucristo me abraza, guerrero como Eddie que viva la raza, yeah, me gustan boricua, me gustan cubana, me gusta el acento de la Colombia.
I really don't know that I can feel it going into the wind. It's just the board wants to lift up from the wind anyway. It's definitely tricky to tell. Let's go back down the beach.
Activo perico pim pim, billetes de 100 en el maletín, que retumbe el bajo y Valentín, yeah. Aquí prohibido amar, dile charitín, que per pico le tengo claritín. Yo llego a la disco y se forma el motín.
Now, I gotta say, I was pretty impressed with how the board did on this kind of soft sand. This isn't like crazy soft sand, but I mean, it went over this stuff really well. In a minute here, I'll go over like the really soft stuff, and you'll see I'll get to a point where I just can't stay up. But I mean, it does a really good job. I mean, this beach is just amazing for the one wheel, though. I mean, it's pretty hard sand and empty. So I went down to Florida a couple weeks ago, and that was the first time I rode on the beach, and that beach had a lot of people on it, and even though it was pretty good for riding, just being crowded makes it a little tricky.
Donde quiera que viaje, escuchado mi gente. Ya no soy high, soy como el testa rosa. Soy el que se la vive y también el que la goza. Cosa es la cosa, mami es la cosa. El que mira sufre y el que toca goza. I said I like it like that.
I said I like it like that.
I said I like it like that.
I said I like it like that. I'm the district in the chain.
So I guess it looks like the 15-mile-an-hour pushback is pretty consistent no matter wind conditions or terrain or any of that stuff. So I mean, it seemed like it was about the same. Granted, it may be hard to feel if it's blowing really hard, but I really can't tell the difference as based on from this test I did. So I'd love to hear what you guys think, if you guys have ever experienced pushback at like significantly lower speeds, but it seems like it's pretty consistent at like right at 15 miles an hour, kind of no matter what. So I know there are guys that I'm pretty sure push past pushback and go a lot faster. That just makes me nervous. After nosediving once, I don't really want to do that again. And if you haven't seen anything about what nosediving is, I'll put a link down in the description for Jimmy Chang's awesome video on kind of explaining nosediving and how to avoid it. Oh, one more thing. If you like this video, please scratch that like button down below, as my nephew Mason would say. And if you want to see some more videos and you haven't already subscribed, maybe hit the subscribe button down there as well, too. And I'll be putting out some more videos kind of whenever I want. But anyway, talk to y'all later. Have a good one.